Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. With lovely peony rose. We've dug out a decent sized planting hole to get them settled in. It's a peony rose, an old one, but a really good variety called Bowl of Love. The flowers sit just perfectly like a bowl over the foliage, deep pink with a lovely centre. So we're looking forward to that now, flowering this year, and it will flower this year for us and give us a little bit of colour this coming year. But of course it takes them a couple of years to settle down to flowering properly every year. But peony roses, they're an addiction really, and there's some fantastic varieties, all well worth planting. Tough hardy perennials when you've been planted in your garden for at least the next 300 years if nobody disturbs them. So I'm going to put a couple of handfuls of super dry planting part down to the bottom of the planting hole for peony Bowl of Love. Mix that in there. Little bit of well compost as well. So no excuses here for this gorgeous peony, and a mixture of composting soils for back in around them again. So, now this pot, I just put it in the exact same depth as the surrounding soil. So in it goes, and so gorgeous peony. Look at that, what we have to look forward to for years and years to come in this area. Height is going to be realistically about 70 centimetres, and they'll spread into a decent clump, 70 to 80 centimetres across. But fantastic colour. So just going to put it in the same depth as the surrounding soil. That's got a good bed of compost and super thrive in there, so no excuse for it. So just level round them there. Lightly packed in. And that is peony Bowl of Love, settled in for at least the next 300 years. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.